Good morning, YouTube. I'm a middle school math teacher. If you didn't see the last video, I'll link it up right here. Today's video is going to be packing up my middle school room and my high school room to move to the new building that I'll be teaching in next year. Episode 3 will be I already seen my classroom. We have a lot of work to do. Today starts preparing for the classroom. Episode 3 will be the empty classroom tour so you can see. The previous teacher left a lot of crud everywhere. You and I together will go through it and decide if we're going to keep and get rid of it. So, classroom setup is coming. So yeah, enjoy this packing up my classroom. This is what I've gotten done so far. I realized that this will take me a while. They gave me 2 weeks to do it, so I just planned out the next couple videos. After video I just posted on YouTube, it'll be the empty stem ring. And then we're going to do a choose a new theme, which requires a CLA room, and then it will be this video. And then it will be moved into my new classroom. And then so far, next time packing up this. The rest of the books. My personal books. And we'll go from there. The room's basically packed up. So you'll see what it looks like when I leave. Thank you for watching this packing up my classroom vlog. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.